Hello there, hope you're doing okay. So today we're going to be looking at input and output modes available in the Arduino ecosystem. So basically Arduino is a microcontroller, right? So all microcontrollers are connected to peripheral devices. So what do I mean by this? So let's start by what can you really do with an Arduino microcontroller, for those who don't really understand it. Anyway, so one of the projects that you can build with Arduino, for example, is they can range from just blinking LED, like the one that we did on the previous tutorial, to complex robotic systems. Okay, so there are many possibilities for sure. Okay, so project ideas are something like home automation, where you use Arduino to control your home appliances, lights, and security systems. You can even build like a weather station that can measure temperature, humidity, pressure, and display data on screen or transmit it wirelessly to a computer. You can build a robot, like a simple robot, build a robot using an Arduino boards. Okay, so the Arduino board in this case in the robot will be the brain, and which control its movements and actions with sensors and actuators. Okay, the other thing that you can do is like smart irrigation system, where you can sense like moisture levels of the soil and then automatically water your plants. You can do even home security systems where there are sensors to detect motions and stuff. Okay, so there are many projects, right? So once you have a project to do, the first thing that you'll have to figure out is which sensors are you using. Okay, and in these sensors that you're using, which ones are inputs and which ones are outputs, because that's the first thing that you're going to have to configure in the Arduino void setup, right? Yeah, you remember void setup. Yeah, so for example, let's pick like a simple project, something to do like let's do like a weather station or measure like temperature, right? So in when you want to measure temperature, you'll need like a temperature sensor. So this temperature sensor will have to be connected to the Arduino, right? And then so that the Arduino can get all the readings from the environment. So the question is, this temperature sensor, is it an input or an output device? Okay, what do you think it is? So okay, I hope you thought about it. So temperature sensor is basically just an input device, because you are reading the temperatures, and then the temperature values are being recorded to inside the Arduino, right? So what is output mode? Output is the mode in which the microcontroller sends data or information to external devices. In this mode, the microcontroller sends signals to control devices such as LEDs, and then we have to configure it as an input. Okay, as an output, because we are trying to control it from the microcontroller outwards. Okay, and then if you have like something like a temperature sensor, we'll have to it's like an input device that you are listening from the outside. So put yourself in the microcontroller setup, so you are listening from outside. So that's an input device going in towards the microcontroller. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to explain input and output devices, and then so that we can move to the next. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.